welcome to the vlog. I got quite a few things to update you guys on, but before I do that I desperately need a coffee, and I think I'm gonna make like a Biscoff fudge sort of iced coffee. I'm gonna use what's left of these buttermilk fudge. We got these in Grosvenor during our Lake District trip. I've tried these already in my coffee and it's just delicious. Oh, and I am gonna use my teddy bear cup for the first time. Let's do it. I'm gonna wait for the fudge to melt in the hot coffee and then I'm gonna froth this whole thing. Oh my god, see how it doubled in size? I'm officially obsessed. Honestly, I can't get over how cute this is. I was so afraid I added too much milk, but it's honestly perfect. Cheers! If you missed my last vlog, yes, I ended up buying myself a little Bearista mug. I got it from Vinted and today was the first day of me using it and I'm literally obsessed. I think it's so cute. I got it for only £20 including shipping, which might be a bit of a red flag considering that these sell for literally like hundreds, but if it's a replica, it's a pretty good replica and I'm honestly very happy with it. Also, literally nobody would know. Anyway, carrying on with the video, it's currently Monday. You guys know what Mondays are all about. I did all my self-care bits. I actually started last night. I love when I do a morning shift on Sunday because I extend my Monday self-care routine to Sunday night and it's low-key the best. I plucked and tinted my eyebrow, made my hair straight. I even did my nails with like some gel. I'm not a professional in any means and I didn't do anything crazy, but I do think they look very good. They're extra polished and I really like that look. I'm also going to yoga later on today, of course, because that's essential. I did pay for a 20-pack class and I do need to use them up before our lease ends. If you guys are caught up with the vlogs, you will know that we are currently in the process of buying our own flat. And it's gonna be in a different area. I never lived in that area. I'm not super excited, I guess, for that area, which some people think it's a very like big thing, you know, you need to like love the area where you're moving to. I didn't love this area when we moved here and then I kind of got used to it. I built my own routine around the area and I think this is what's gonna happen with these new flats as well. It's also not gonna be our forever home, which is why I guess we were more flexible when it comes to the area. I'm low-key super excited about this move. We don't have a set date yet. I really hope we do get though like a 2-3 weeks in between the flats so we can like, you know, clean everything and like move things slowly and like do the whole thing the right way. But I guess we'll know a bit more the details further down the line. We do know though that the sellers are gonna take both the fridge and the washing machines, which means we do need new appliances and I'm very excited for that because we will get to pick what it is that we want, but also these things can be pretty expensive, so part of me was kind of hoping that they would leave these behind, but apparently they're not. And if you know me, you know that I'm a very type A person and I look, you want to move into this flat knowing exactly what our plan is when it comes to like furniture and like any of these bits. And so we are gonna go to Arnold's Grove tomorrow. We're gonna check out Curry's. We're also gonna go to like Doolham. There's a lot of shops around that area. I think there's a B&M as well. And although we don't have the exact measurement we're looking for, I think we're gonna have a browse and kind of like see what we like, what we don't, what the price range is, which is also very important. So that's happening tomorrow. I am going to take you guys along, of course. We're also going to have a bit of a brunch, I guess, for Pancake Day, but I'll tell you more tomorrow. As of now, I do have a meal prep that I want to get done. These chipotle shrimp kind of sauce that I have usually with rice. I'm gonna link the recipe below. I'm literally obsessed with it. I've been making it for like a good 6 years now, and I usually make a big portion and then I store them in little containers in the freezer. And I kid you not, it saved me so many times when I had like nothing in the fridge to cook with. I just take this out, defrost it, boil some rice, and it's just a 10 out of 10 every single time. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, and later on we're also gonna work on my 2025 junk journal. I need to literally glue one last card in one last page and then it's done. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. We're also gonna maybe work on my 2026 junk journal. I just got a notification that my parcel is ready to collect, so before we head to yoga we're gonna collect it and then I'll show you everything later on. But as of now, let's meal prep. My boyfriend gave me these roses for Valentine's Day and I'm still yet to put them in a vase. I mean, they do come in water, so they're not dying or anything, but they definitely need to be displayed. Also, they smell so good. I can't get over that. So it's a bit later, I'm done with the meal prep. I'm actually gonna have one of the rice bowls tonight, so I'm very excited for that. I also went ahead and had lunch, and I do have a couple of hours before yoga, so I think I'm gonna chill on the couch, edit a video, and then we're gonna go out, do yoga, grab my parcel, come back, I'll show you guys what I got, and we'll start with the rest of the evening. We're back. I did change into these Nike hoodie for yoga. I also just had dinner and I'm finally ready to open my vintage parcel. So I thought we could do it together. Here we have it. Definitely let me know in the comments if this looks familiar. This is a DIY album kit from Typo. Sadly, they no longer do them, but this is lucky how I started my old junk journal and I'm so excited I found this one on Vinted. I need to open it up to show you guys properly, but basically it comes with the little DIY album and then all this bunch of stickers and all these other bits. Happy Tuesday. Today is actually Pancake Day and I never really like celebrated or like had pancakes on Pancakes Day, but this year is gonna be the exception and I'm very excited. I heard that the Breakfast Club does amazing pancakes on Pancakes Day, like they do different flavors and stuff, and so I booked us a little table in London Bridge and we're gonna head over there right now. I'm so excited. I'm also low-key starving because I decided to have not breakfast so that I could like splurge and enjoy my pancakes. And then after that we're gonna go all the way to Arnos Grove and do some furniture hunting. We're not buying anything, but like I mentioned, I do want to know what's currently available, and we are gonna check out the fridge and the washing machine as well. But first thing first, let's get some pancakes.
Happy Pancake Day, everybody! We have done what we call the Pancake Challenge. Can I get an ooh? 12 pancakes, cream and berries in 12 minutes. Only allowed 1 glass of tap water and 1 ramekin of maple syrup.
That's kind of cool. We need to check the measurements, but these for the entrance would be so cute. Poi ci metti tutte le cox, le cose. E i giorni così non mi dispiace.
Per metterci il ghiaccio.
It's a couple of days later yet again. We did see a few furniture pieces that we both really liked, but unfortunately we don't really know the measurements of the place, and I don't know if we should ask for like another viewing so that we can take the measurement, or like wait until completion to hone the house and then take measurement. I don't know, I guess it still depends on when completion is going to be, but again, as of now we don't have that information. We also did see a fridge that we like, but yet again I ideally want to put the fridge in this little like nook in the kitchen, and I need to know the measurements of said nook to know if the fridge would even fit on that. So yeah, I feel like this whole thing is a bit of a fail. Something I did put my hands on though, and it wasn't a fail, was finishing my 2025 junk journal. Here she is in all of her glory. I still need to start the one for 2026, so we're probably gonna do that together in the next couple of vlogs. But as of now, I thought I could share with you guys what my 2025 junk journal looks like. Who's ready for a flip through?
But I like the way you're keeping your attention on me. Best that you leave now. I'm not sorry about the distance, baby. I wasn't gonna wait on you, so you shouldn't wait on me. I thought I'd always want you, and we could make it work. I thought that you'd come around, and we'd have time to burn. Now when I think about us, I can say for sure, I know I am who I am because of who we were.
So that's it for today's video. Really hope you guys enjoy coming along. If you did, of course, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if there's any videos idea you'd like me to do, any like house related stuff as well. Please let me know that in the comments. And of course, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Walk away when something told me not to go. I couldn't go any further. I waited for you to come, but you didn't know. You left me standing. I walked away the way I've done before. You know I've always tried to get myself out.